Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the trigger of the Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner. Before we dive into the process, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Torx T15 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by disconnecting your Dyson V11 from the power source. Safety is paramount. Once disconnected, inspect the vacuum for any visible damage or wear around the trigger area. Using your Torx T15 screwdriver, remove the two screws located on the back of the trigger assembly. These screws are essential for securing the trigger in place. Keep them safe, as you'll need them later. Next, gently pry the trigger assembly away from the body of the vacuum using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the surrounding components. Once the assembly is loose, carefully disconnect any wiring that may be attached. Remember, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. With the trigger assembly removed, take this opportunity to clean the internal area of the vacuum. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help ensure the longevity of your vacuum and improve its performance. If you prefer, our team can assist with pickup and delivery at your home for a hassle-free experience, no calls, no travel. Now, let's install the new trigger. Align it with the housing and gently reconnect any wiring you had previously disconnected. Make sure everything is secure before proceeding. Once the trigger is in place, use the Torx T15 screwdriver to reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened adequately but avoid over-tightening, as this could strip the screws or damage the housing. Finally, before testing the vacuum, double-check that all components are securely attached. If you encounter any issues during the process or need assistance, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Now, reconnect your Dyson V11 to the power source and test the new trigger. You should notice a smoother operation. If everything functions correctly, you've successfully replaced the trigger. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.